Mistplay rewards and bonus offers often depend on aid servers loading correctly, so if ads stop loading, some parts of the app can look broken even when your account is fine. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix ad loading problems, what causes them, and how to get your offers back. Here's the direct answer. If Mistplay ads aren't loading, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. Some Wi-Fi networks block ad traffic, especially public networks, school Wi-Fi, or aggressive router filters. If ads load on mobile data, the issue is your network. Next, turn off any VPN. Mistplays at partners often block VPN traffic because it hides your location. If the app sees a mismatched IP, ads may fail to load completely. Go into your VPN app and disconnect it before reopening Mistplay. Now, check your aid settings. On Android, open Settings, Google, Ads. If your ad ID is corrupted or restricted, some reward ads won't load properly. Tap Reset Advertising ID, then restart your phone. That refreshes your ad profile and can fix loading errors. Next, clear Misplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Cached ad files can break after updates or failed downloads. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Data. That fully resets the app and forces fresh ad requests. Now, update Google Play services. Open the Play Store and search for Google Play services. Mistplay relies on it for ad delivery, login, and reward syncing. Outdated Play services can block ad requests without showing an error. Battery settings matter too. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. If Android puts Mistplay to sleep, ad requests can time out before they load. One thing many people miss is DNS filtering. If you use private DNS, ad blockers like AdGuard, or browser-level blockers, they can block Mistplay ads. Go to Settings, Network, Private DNS, and switch it to Automatic. Disable any ad-blocking app and test again. If ads still don't load, uninstall Mistplay and reinstall it from the Play Store. That clears broken SDK files tied to ad networks. Quick recap. Check your connection, turn off VPN, reset your advertising ID, clear Mistplay cache, update Google Play services, and disable ad blockers or custom DNS. Your next step is simple. Open a reward offer after each fix so you know exactly what changed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.